Established in 2019, Henan UDX Biotechnology Co Limited is a professional high-tech biotechnology company who is engaged in R&D, manufacturing and marketing for medical in vitro diagnostic (IVD) rapid test kits, as well as revolutionary customized reagent kits. UDXBio has covered platforms of biochemistry, immunoassay, POCT, hematology, molecular diagnosis, and pathology. Now UDXBio is focusing on the development of testing solutions for the SARS-CoV-2. With an area of about 10,000 square meters, UDXBio currently has over 300 employees, including 20 senior technicians and more than 60 postgraduates and PhDs. Producing according to the standard of ISO 13485, 2016 standard strictly, UDXBio has established rigorous productive process and has completed quality management system to ensure that all products are good quality under the strict and efficient management process. UDXBio has 10,000 level industrial clean room, and now our producing capacity is about 500,000 pieces per day. UDXBio cooperates with R&D institutions and universities in the United States and UK, who can offer the strongest medical technical support for the development of the company. Our producing management team has more than 20 years producing experience of in vitro diagnostic (IVD) rapid test kits. We have professional sales teams with over 12 years' experience in the biotechnology exporting field. So far, UDXBio has established solid business relationships with over 20 countries through our brand UDXBio Rapid Test, as well as OEM packing. Strong customer attention and creative problem-solving capabilities have made us a world-class professional manufacturer of COVID-19 antigen rapid test kit. We are thrilled to find distributors and OEM partners worldwide for mutual success.